How to open Halifax Bank Online account. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll demonstrate on how to open a Halifax online banking account on your PC. So Halifax is a British banking brand that operates trading division of the Bank of Scotland. So without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to open a web browser on your PC and in the search bar, type in www.halifax.co.uk and hit enter in your keyboard. This will take you to the official page of Halifax Bank. And on the top right corner of your screen, you will find the sign in button. Click on it to be redirected to a new page of sign in. Since we are looking to open a Halifax bank account, click on the register online button as shown in the screen. Then click on the register option. And this will take you to the new registration page where you will need to enter your personal details such as your first name, your last name, your date of birth, and then after your email. This email will be used by Halifax Bank to confirm your username. Confirm the email address you entered below. If you do not reside in the UK, click on the No button. And then after select the account type such as current or savings account, loan, mortgage, credit card, or share dealing. So I'm going to go for current or savings account. After that, enter your sort code and enter your account number. You can find those details on your statement or debit card if you have one. After entering your account number, you will see a link to the online banking terms and conditions of the Halifax Bank. You can click on it to review the terms and conditions. And once you have read them, click on the I agree to the online bank terms and conditions button. And finally, click on the continue button highlighted in blue color, and you will be asked to verify the account. Once the account is verified, you will have successfully opened a Halifax online banking account on your PC. It's that simple. So if you found this guide to be informative, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.